creator designed an innovative product. But how to get funding, where to manufacture, at what price, and how to sell. DesignNest helps you to collect pre-orders from consumers as well as businesses to fund your product. When funded, we will assist with engineering, production, marketing, and everything else needed in order to sell worldwide. Being designers ourselves, we help the design community non-exclusive and free of charge. DesignNest benefits from its worldwide sales network, economies of scale, and co-branding. Many designers approach businesses with innovative products. But do their designs have affordable price? DesignNest delivers businesses with innovative products for their stores at a fair price. Consumers are excited about innovative products and to hear the stories from the aspiring designers, but do not know that these great designs even exist or where to get them. DesignNest will unite every designer around the world onto one platform to make innovative products accessible and affordable. DesignNest, the world's first design platform to unite the creative ones.